To add a Revolut virtual card to Apple Pay, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of the Revolut app installed. First, open the Revolut app and log into your account. Navigate to the Cards section, where you will find all your physical and virtual cards. If you do not have a virtual card, you can create one by tapping on the plus icon and following the on-screen instructions. Once you have a virtual card, open the Apple Wallet app on your device. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Select credit or debit card and tap Continue. Use your device's camera to scan the virtual card details or enter them manually. You will be asked to verify the card details, so ensure they match the information in the Revolut app. You may also be asked to provide additional verification, such as a one-time password sent to your phone or email. After verifying the card details, you will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions of adding the card to Apple Pay. Read through the terms carefully and tap Agree to proceed. Your Revolut virtual card is now added to Apple Pay and you can use it to make payments with your device. To use the card, simply open the Apple Wallet app, select the Revolut virtual card, and authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. It is essential to keep your device and the Revolut app up to date to ensure the security and functionality of Apple Pay. You should also regularly review your transaction history to detect any suspicious activity. By following these steps, you can easily add your Revolut virtual card to Apple Pay and enjoy the convenience and security of mobile payments.